Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we will read lesson number 3 and we will read 3 lines of this lesson. This is Fatha and Fatha is above the letter.
It sounds A.
Now read after me. Hamza Fatha A, Ba Fatha Ba, Ta Fatha Ta, Sa Fatha Sa, Jim Fatha Ja, Ha Fatha Ha, Kha Fatha Kha, Dal Fatha Da, Zal Fatha Za, Ra Fatha Ra, Za Fatha Za, Sin Fatha Sa, Shin Fatha Sha, Sad Fatha Sa, Dad Fatha Da. Now read again without vowels. A, Ba, Ta, Sa, Ja, Ha, Kha, Da, Za, Ra, Za, Sa, Sha, Sa, Da,